Session number 87. Do we have some news for you today? As we know, last Friday we saw the market really come down. We are seeing a ton of deals today in the market. We are going to be doing a huge shopping spree today. I'm going to unload hopefully around $1,000 today in the market. We're going to be going over the stocks we're going to buy. We're also going to be going over why the market is coming down. So we have S&P 500 ticking higher as Wall Street attempts a rebound from the recent sell-off we've been having. S&P 500 inched up Monday as March tried to bounce back after Friday's steep sell-off. Friday we had some fears of the market with the Trump administration and tariffs and the economy in general. We just have a lot of people panic selling. And today with the market trying to come back, but we are seeing a lot of deals still in the market, guys. So I'm not going to go over this whole thing, but this will be in the description below. If you want to check out live updates on CNBC and check out this article with Grok, we asked it, why is the market selling off today, really on Friday? But the market appears to be experiencing selling off today, February 24th, 2025, due to a combination of factors, reflecting broader economic and global concerns. So guys, fear in the market, guys. On top of that, there's a chatter about foreign investors pulling back from markets like India, possibly redirecting capital as China's market shows signs of recovery. U.S. bond yield climb, making equities less attractive. So, variety of different factors, guys. Here's the Trump. With investors still rattled by persistent inflation pressures and uncertainty around President Trump's tariff proposals, which could disrupt global trade. So there's that as well. So bunch of different reasons why the market is selling off since Friday and really trying to make a rebound today, but still down on the day here. So we have the total market value of the Mogul 30 at 27.7 right now. Total market value 7,400 in. Cash balance 20,000. So guys, since our last post of session number 86, we've done a lot of stuff in the Discord, guys. So we haven't posted since then, but we've done a lot of stuff since then. We obviously trimmed a lot. We announced the Mogul Pot, a new program that we're doing, the Tesla to Mogul program. We're turning the Mogul Pot into a long-term account, and we're doing research on our different holdings in the Mogul Pot. So right now we are focusing on buying Tesla the rest of this year, guys, stacking up on Tesla, because we do think Tesla is very under valued right now compared to what it's going to be in the next 5 years. So that's going to be a whole focus, guys, the Mogul Pot, on case studies and stuff like that on certain investments we do. We're putting all of our profits that we make off the Mogul 30 trading account into the Mogul Pot and into our programs. Right now, the rest of this year is the Tesla to Mogul program. Get into the Discord, guys, and we are also releasing a Mogul Fellows VIP section on our website for you to follow all of our programs, our blog, a bunch of different stuff. If you want more information, go over to mogulfellows.com for more information about membership. Anyway, we are going to be doing our session today, and our one session that we post publicly per week, and then the rest is in our Discord, guys, that we do every single day. Our daily buys, our trims, our sell-offs, or our sells, and check-ins. Everything is on the Discord, but this we do publicly once per week. Right now we did have a break, but we are back here Session number 87, we are going to be focusing on unloading today on buys. We're not going to do any sells or trims today, guys, because the market is undervalued in our opinion. So we are going to go ahead and do some buys today. We're going to buy 10 different companies. We're going to do a total of $1,000, hopefully $100 per company we're going to unload in. So right now we see the S&P 500 at a 35 RSI level, guys. That is oversold in our opinion. Market is going for a deal right now. So what are we going to do? We are going to buy and take advantage of these panic sellers, guys, because that's what we do. We take advantage of panic sellers, get into deals, and then we wait until it goes back up, until hype gets back into a stock, goes back up, and then we trim. Dollar cost averaging is our best friend, guys. So let's go ahead and do our first $100 buy. Is going to be Palantir, guys. Palantir is coming down here. We see it at a 23 RSI level. We saw Palantir really run up. It was the S&P 500's best stock in 2024. Alex Karp really killing it with this company as CEO, guys. Doing a great job. And who doesn't want to invest in America, a defense company, with their software really going to help out America and its allies, guys. So we're going to go ahead. We're very happy to be in this company, but we're going to go ahead and buy $100 worth of this stock, or actually we're going to do, what is it selling at? 92. We're going to buy one share of Palantir here. That'll be around $92 we put into this company here. So let's go ahead and buy one share of Palantir. All right, locking that in at a 92.58, guys. That is the first stock that we are have on the list. The next is going to be Archer, guys. This is a new company that we added to the portfolio. And I think we got rid of a few companies, and if you're in the Discord you'll know which ones, but and we added 2 more, and we're going to be we have the other one that we're going to buy today. I'll let you guys know when we buy that one. But Archer, we're going to go ahead and load up on Archer here. We're going to go ahead and buy, let's go ahead and do 10. Let's see what 10 shares gets us. No, we could do 11 here, guys. Let's go ahead and do 11. No, we're going to do 12. All right, that'll bring us a little over 102. Balance it out with the Palantir. We left, what, $7 on the table that we could have. So we're going to go 102 here on Archer, buying 12 more shares. All right, Archer, eVTOL company, we could really see Archer really get into the military as well. That's very cool company in our opinion to really invest in, and we're starting early on this stock. It's really kind of a new company that came out, and there's a lot of hype around it. So really cool company in our opinion. So next one now is XYZ, Jack Dorsey. We saw this stock really come down. I think after earnings, they really got smoked at a 14 RSI level, guys. This is crazy. Taking advantage of these dips, we really saw it run up here to a $100 high, and then really selling off here, and then boom, down here. So we really do think, Block has potential to be a great company in the future, with cryptocurrency, with really businesses taking payments. We think this company will do well, and obviously they have other investments as well that people use on a daily basis as far as finance and transactions go and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and buy one share of Block here. let's go ahead and do 2. Bring us to 133.50, a little over our, buying our $100 daily limit, but let's go ahead and lock this in. All right, so really 12 shares of Archer, we have 1 share Palantir, and then we got 2 shares of Block here. Let's write these down. All right, next stock, guys, Mark Zuckerberg. We think he's going to be killing it with those Ray-Ban sunglasses, those Ray-Ban, AI or whatever, augmented reality, AR sunglasses. We think also, his social media platform, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp is still going to kill it moving forward. We think this company is going to do great things in the future with robotics. 22 RSI level, let's freaking buy some. $100 loading up on Meta here. $100. Got that at a price $669.86. Hood now, guys. Hood. If you guys don't know, I went to Hood Summit, the very first Hood Summit in Miami. This company is slept on, guys. We think Vlad Tenev is an excellent CEO. We think Robinhood's going to do great things. Cryptocurrency, equities. They just announced their futures on their platform. Just overall going to do great. Event contracts, stuff like that. So let's go ahead and buy 2 shares of Hood here. 101.02. Let's go and lock this in. All right, we are on a roll here, guys, and this is the stock that we replaced as well. One of the stocks we added is SoFi, guys. So we added Archer and SoFi to the portfolio. I think we removed Coca-Cola and we removed Costco. All right, guys, so let's go ahead. It's at a 28 RSI level. We see this $14. Let's go ahead and maybe let's try and do 9 shares here. Let's see what that brings us. A little over, let's do just 7. Yeah, 7 shares of SoFi. Let's go ahead and lock this in, guys. Brings a little over $100. All right, moving on, guys. We are at, that was our 6th stock. We're going to move on to 7 here, and that is Microsoft. We think Microsoft is going to be doing great things. We see it really in near oversold levels. We do think Grok is going to be, XAI is going to be the leading AI, in the future. But we do think OpenAI is going to do well as well. It's going to be a competitor of Grok and XAI. But Microsoft owns, a good chunk of OpenAI, and obviously Microsoft with their other products as well. Going to do really great moving forward. Great company, value company to hold. So let's go ahead and put in $100 fractional share of Microsoft. Lock that in. All right. Moving on, guys. All right, guys. Next stock is Amazon, guys. Very crazy stock to own. Obviously, I know a lot of people that freaking keep this company in business with, they buy every single day on Amazon. It's crazy. Obviously they just, I think, surpassed Walmart with, I think it was quarterly revenue. Don't quote me on that, but I think they surpassed, it was something with revenue surpassing Walmart. So let's go ahead and add, we have a 25 RSI level here. Let's go ahead and lock in $100 on Amazon. All right, guys. The next stock, we just talked about it, Walmart. We think Walmart is still a crazy company, great company to own long term. So We have it at a 28 RSI level, great value company as well. Let's go ahead and put $100 into Walmart. All right, guys, next one, our last one, Tesla. This position is our trading position in the Mogul 30. Don't get this mixed up with our Mogul pot, our hold, our program with Tesla in our Mogul pot. Obviously, you can find that in our Discord, the program, on our website as well. But this is a fully tradable position here for us, Tesla. We want to keep this in the Mogul 30 because Tesla is a great company to trade as well, but we also think it's the best company to hold long term. We think it has the best upside. So do not get this position mixed with the Mogul pot position. So let's go ahead. It's in near oversold levels here, Tesla, which is crazy to me that it's still selling at these levels. But I think it's due to a lot of factors, with Elon and politics now, Doge, all these protests happening at their showroom locations, but people are still not understanding Tesla, and it's just mind-blowing to me how crazy you could be bearish on this company. With people still thinking it's a car company is absolutely insane to me. Obviously it's an EV company. It's an autonomous company. They're going to be releasing, hopefully, autonomous driving in Austin in June, guys. They just announced a new addition to the Model Y, a renovated, design on the Model Y, which looks insane. I want to even get one. I want to even get the Cybercab. And then what we think is going to be the main revenue generating, profit generating product with Tesla is going to be Tesla Optimus, guys. So it's just crazy to me that people can't see the future of this company. But what do I know? In my private, I invested heavily in this company, and this portfolio, we're investing heavily into this company the rest of the year, and then obviously we're trading it with the Mogul 30 in this portfolio here. So yeah, let's go ahead and lock in a $100 buy here on our Tesla trading position here. All right, so that was the last buy, guys. We went over every company, the 10 companies that we bought: Palantir, Archer, Block, Meta, Robinhood, SoFi Technologies, Microsoft, Amazon, Walmart, and Tesla. Those are the 10 companies that we invested in. We are going to be, this is the Mogul 30 account. This is our trading account that funds our Mogul pot, programs, what we invest in long term. So far this year, we're focusing on Tesla. Find all the data, find all the analysis, find our case study over on our Discord, our data on Discord, and then also we have the program research and everything on our website. Get that link, the password to our VIP section in our Discord. You're gonna have to get into our Discord first. Right now it's still free. We didn't start charging for it as we said we were. We are still waiting a little bit longer to really put content on the website, on the VIP section, to be able to charge for it, guys. So but it's going to be soon. We're going to start charging for it soon, guys. I think that was around $1,000 we just spent in the Mogul 30 account. Right now, we're not going to do any trimming. It doesn't make sense to trim today because the market's on sale. We're not going to trim when stocks are going down. It doesn't make sense. So, yeah, guys, little, updates, a lot of updates since our last recording. We really updated the Mogul pot. We really built the Mogul pot, up to I think around $3,000, and then we really funded it these last month to our Tesla program. We unloaded that whole Mogul pot into our Tesla position for the rest of this year. So get into the Discord if you guys want to see the journey, our Tesla journey. And then obviously, after this year, we're going to be doing more programs as well, focusing on, specific companies. Could be quarterly, could be biannually, could be annually. But yeah, that is session number 87, guys. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. Till next time, hit the outro.